Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this structure cap sleeve, It is very easy to draft and make. So please stay to the end of the video if this is something you are interested in, if this is something you want to learn. If you are here to subscribe to my channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button. And if you are my old subscribers, I'm saying thank you. Drop your comment in the comment section. Do well to like and share this video. So for you to make this sleeve, you first of all draft your basic sleeve. First of all, draft it. So after drafting it, we are going to work with what you have drafted. So at the cap of the sleeve, you are going to go ahead and measure 4 inches from the cap, like so as shown in the video. Go ahead and measure 4 inches. So after marking the 4 inches, you are going to connect it straight to meet the other end, like so. So use your ruler. I'm going to use my ruler also. So I'm trying to make it measure it well so that the one side is not longer than the other side. I'm trying to make it if it is really 4 inch or round. So after marking it out, I'll go ahead and use my ruler to connect it, and that will be for the cap sleeve. So that's what we are going to do right away. So after connecting it, I'll go ahead and slit it and tear it into two with my cut it into two with my scissors. So it is this part that we've cut out, this cap part of it, that's the upper part of the sleeve. That's what we are going to make do of. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to fold it. You know, the sleeve is already folded into two. I forgot to tell you at the beginning, it's folded into two already. So by folding it again, we are folding it into four. I hope you understand. Can you see? So this is just a method. There are other methods to achieve this cap sleeve. So I'm just teaching you this method. So you can see that it has generated 3 lines on the sleeve by the time I opened it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and draw the line so that it will be visible for you to see. So this is how it is. So this is what we are going to slit in pieces for us to make the puff in the cap sleeve. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do right away now is to number the sleeve. Numbering the sleeve will help us place this piece well on our next pattern. So after numbering it 1, 2, 3, 4, go ahead and slit it like so. So we now have 4 pieces. After slitting it, it is 4 piece. So take your time to slit it. So after this, we have produced 4 piece. So we'll go ahead and bring another pattern. So I'll be using this paper to cut out the sleeve. I'll place these pieces on this calendar paper. So I'll go ahead and place it on it. If you notice how I'm placing it, the upper part is wider than the down part. Okay, so go ahead, after placing it, go ahead and pin it or sellotape it. Then go ahead and draw out the shape. Also add your allowance. Remember, I'm doing this just for the tutorial sake. So remember, go ahead and add your allowance while drawing out the shape of your sleeve. So the upper part should be wider than the down part while placing your piece on the other pattern that you'll be using to cut out your sleeve. So I'm going to use this pattern now to cut out the sleeve. So if you want yours to be very puffy, go ahead and make the upper part very wide. Okay, then draw the bottom part, let it touch each other. So I place the pattern on this fabric we'll be using for the sleeve. So I went ahead to cut it out like so. So after cutting it, I'll go ahead, it's 2 pieces together. So I'll go ahead and join it at the down part. I'll sew it at the down part. So after sewing it, I'm going to show you, I'm going to give it a good press also. So after sewing it at the bottom part like so, this is how it looks, and I gave it a good press. So what I did off camera was to sew gather stitch at the up part, not all the part of the up, but from one side, from this side that I notch. That's from the third pattern to meet the second pattern. I hope you understand. So that's how I'm going to draw the gather to meet each other like so. So that will act as the puff for our sleeve. So this is how it looks. So you keep on dragging it and let it puff and come out as desired. So you can add your peplum, stay in between your fabric and the lining. You can add collar stay. It all depends on you. Add your interfacing to make it hard to look firm and structured. So this is how the sleeve is. I didn't add any interfacing. I did this for tutorial sake and it really came out beautiful. So just imagine I added a hard interfacing. It would have been looking very much more beautiful than this. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you in our next tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop your comment. Bye.